Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to safely log out of your Binance account. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency platforms letting you buy, sell and manage digital assets. Logging out is very important if you're using a shared device, public computer or just want to protect your account after trading, and it ensures that your fund and personal information remain secure. First, you need to open to the Binance app on your phone. Select the Binance app over here. And on the main screen, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. We can see there's a three-line icon. Select to the three-line icon. Over here, this will open to your account setting, security options, and other account management features. And over here, we could see you need to tap on this icon just beside user profile. And in the top right corner, again, we could see there's a small icon of your profile, so you need to tap on that. Over here we could see there's a either switch account or logout. So what you can do is simply select to the logout, and that is it. And after that, logging out is simple but crucial for keeping your account and funds secure, and make it a habit to log out every time you finish using Binance, especially on public or shared device. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any problem logging out your Binance, please comment down below and we will reach out